Adopt a dog and be a hero. Let me tell you, Welfare of Stray Dogs, ये organization and Weekend with LHDD hashtag के साथ इस बार Twitter पे ये trend कर रहा है.
And then we will give ₹1 if to everyone who hashtags Weekend with LHDD.
Wow.
Yes, to the welfare.
For the first time, something of this sort is happening. जहाँ पे ₹1 दिया जाएगा हर एक tweet के साथ.
Actually, even in the movie, करिश्मा जो मेरा character है, वो actually एक dog को adopt करते हैं.
Okay.
And that dog who's Jerry in the movie is a very integral part. And जहाँ भी डीनो और करिश्मा जाते हैं, Jerry उनके साथ जाता है.
Okay.
And so I think because we felt so strongly towards it, and we just felt that this is something that we should spread and people should do it.
Right.
Because we have a lot of strays in our country.
Right.
And they're so cute.
They're very cute.
Why would we not want to take one of these dogs home?
I think this film Lekar Aam Deewana Dil is basically a journey. So this journey mein Jerry is with us.
Okay.
And it's a very important part of this film, an important part of our characters. Or animals aren't animals; they're human beings. So for me, dogs are human beings. All animals are human beings, or they're as emotional as us.
Right.
So initially, इस film में मैं प्यार नहीं देता हूँ dog को, but that's my character.
Okay.
I love dogs, but eventually, I take a liking towards it.
Right. Right.
And in the film, we lose it, and it's very emotional for us in the film.
एक्चुअली हम लोग का जो शूटिंग प्रोसेस था वो 6 months के लिए चलता गया. एंड द फर्स्ट जो ट्रेलर में भी दिखाया है, जो एक सीन है जहाँ वेदन चर्च गेट स्टेशन, उसमें वी रिवील द डॉग, और वो हमने मई में शूट किया था. और जब तक हम दूसरे पोर्शन शूट करने गए, अक्टूबर हो गया था, और वो पपी रहा नहीं, बढ़ गया. तो वी हैड टू गेट अनदर डॉग, एंड द पपी वाज taken and given to a lovely family, and we had to get another dog.
As I believe dogs are human beings, and even human beings sometimes behave like animals. We love, we hate, but dogs don't know how to hate. They really love, and I think they're more sensitive than human beings. Or I don't have much to say, but just adopt a dog. You don't need a reason to adopt a dog. You should be privileged, you should be honored to adopt a dog. So go for it. I believe in all gods. और दूसरी बात तो झगड़ा करना I think is very normal, and fighting is a very normal thing. And if it's done with love, affection, and there's no animosity, and you're not tearing people apart and killing someone, then it's okay to fight. Otherwise, fighting is completely wrong at all. Taking God's name or not taking God's name.
Firstly, I think पहले चीज तो जो ये cause है, I had a dog. He's not there anymore, and his name was Caesar. And I think जितना प्यार आपको एक dog दे सकता है, जो आपके pets है, उतना आपको कभी नहीं मिल सकता. You go home and वो होते हैं, and they're there, and they're just so affectionate. And just recently I read something which was very beautiful, that there was a dog who was going to pass away, और एक 6 साल का बच्चा था, और उनके पेरेंट्स बहुत घबरा गए कि अरे उस 6 साल के बच्चे पर क्या असर होगा कि उनके जो पपी डॉग है वो ही इज गोइंग टू पास. पपी नहीं माने, ही हैड ग्रोन अप, ही वाज गोइंग टू पास अवे. एंड दैट 6-year बॉय, आई थिंक इट्स द मोस्ट मैंने ऐसा कभी सुना नहीं लाइफ में. आई थिंक ही वाज सो स्मार्ट. द 6-year-old बॉय सेड, जो डॉग्स होते हैं वो जब पैदा ही होते हैं, दे नो हाउ टू लव, एंड दे गिव यू सो मच लव. दैट्स व्हाई दे गो फास्टर. But human beings are always learning how to love. That's why our lives are longer. So these pets that are so lovable, that are born to love us and are born to care for us, we need to care for them as well. So please adopt a dog and be a hero.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.